Alright, welcome back guys. Today I'm going to be working on the NOTOS. I've got this buck rail grip adapter that I'm going to put on today, and it's got the 1913 picatiny in the back, and I went with that version because I have two different folding stocks that I'm going to end up trying on this, but I really wanted a folder on this so that I can collapse it down and it's much smaller and I can fit it in a bag easier and tote it around. But other than that, the only thing I've done to this since the last video was I got the bipod in, and it's quite large. I didn't think it was going to be this big, at least it didn't look that way in the photos. But I don't know if I'm going to end up keeping this, but it is super well built. So the really cool thing about this is that you can detach this main piece by depressing this lever here. So the main bipod comes off by itself, and then all you have is this mounting block left right here in the top. So to cut the weight if you don't need it or trying to tote it around. So I thought that was pretty cool. The other nice things about this bipod is it does cant and tilt. Cant and tilt. You push these huge buttons down right here, these depress, and that's how you move the legs back and forth. And then everything has lockdown screws. So these screws control the tension of the legs. These legs are spring loaded. You can pull them out and then depress the lever and they come right back down, and then you can lock them so they don't move at all. So I thought that was pretty neat. But like I said, this thing is pretty overbuilt for what I need and for how light this air gun is. So I don't know if this is a really good match, but it does look like a sweet harpoon gun when you put it on the end there. But anyways, so I'm going to get cracking and put this grip adapter on. I'm probably going to just swap to an overhead view and speed it up for you guys, and then come back at the end and talk about what it feels like, I guess. So let's get going. Alright guys, so I'm all finished up finally. So I did have a little bit of a problem with the trigger tolerance. It was a little too tight, so it wasn't letting the sear reset the trigger. So I was having a problem when it was trying to cock itself and reset. So I took a file to it. A couple test fits later, it was fine. Got the stock on here. Super happy I went with the folder, and now it's all set up. So I definitely need to get a different bipod though, because now I have a compact harpoon gun. But yeah, other than that, this is pretty awesome, and I'm looking forward to getting it out and doing some more testing. I got some lightweight slugs because all I have right now is like the heavier ones that I shoot out of my Pantera and stuff like that. And then I still have just bunches of different pellets. I did get a decibel meter so I can test out the efficiency of the stock moderator, and then I do have that adapter for the half UNF so I can put on the Impulseair or my DonnyFL moderator. So because I have the folder on here and it's pretty small, I wanted to see if being able to take off any of those baffles would really make a difference, and if I can get it shorter than the factory length. So just something I want to test out and see what happens. So anyways guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.